We took time for about 1.5 hours with the President. I was accompanied by 4 MPs. By 3 MPs actually. Ferreiro Osero, and Steve Magaka. Chirusa could have accompanied us, but she was out. But I'm now hearing she has arrived. The others still make it. Akina Nyakirano was out. But we took time to talk about the whole county. We addressed the issue of stalled projects. Like now you can see Mangamotomo and the other Kimera, Gachuba Keumbu. You can see some 62 acres in Warabu, 62 kilometers of bitumen is stored in Warabu. There are some 2 roads in North Morango which are the budget. Chabera, Kenya Musi, Luko Azekendo Waka Nyamaya. There's another one from Metinga Arandi to Mokomoni. We engaged. There's an issue also with us for Park, which we have started receiving money. There's an issue of SME Stadium and the bridge connecting Kericho from Nyamira, and many other issues. I think it was very fruitful, and he assured us by Chula is coming to Nyamira to announce some few other things, including the Kuwait Fund for infrastructure development, which he said is now ready to be awarded to contractors. So, tuaje the maana siasa, tuaje the maana ya maendeleo, na ile yataka nitaite ili na Ibrahim atuchubalishe la serikali, tuombe wote atakuwa some support, no comment mara. Togo take constituency 30 kilometers or more, so that you are reaching the Chasara Kamala, since you are overly appreciated, the way to run your waiter, and we can quite a channel, or a chill, and we can only cheat so. Otherwise, now, yes, we will. I see more which might be.